morning. It's a Sunday in the Albornoz household.
Go.
Everybody's on the go. Everybody's on the move. I mean, on the go. What?
I have an extra jacket.
So it's like,
Get out.
who knows, 5 o'clock? 4 o'clock? We don't know.
Be quiet.
But hubby's over here treating us like we're in the military. We're not in the military. But we're gonna go for a walk. Juju's in his cage because the dog rips up everything when he gets mad at us. If he feels like he should be going somewhere and we don't take him, he will rip up our crap. So we put him, stop it, stop it. You're the reason why you're in there. No one else. You can't blame anyone else.
Bring your keys. I don't know my keys.
But I'll see you guys on our walk. Okay, good morning guys. So it's starting to rain now and my husband says, oh, I was like, I hope we can beat the rain. He goes, oh, it's not, we're not gonna beat it. It's supposed to rain all day. This man knows it's supposed to rain all day and have us out here, but he got us an umbrella. But I don't have a rain thing for a raincoat or rain cover for Maddie's stroller. So
right.
Yeah, and it's starting to rain now. So guys, we're back in the house and we walked for like almost 3 miles and Jackson got tired, so we came home. Now I'm making eggs. And for breakfast. Good morning guys. So today is, I'm getting ready to say Sunday. It's actually Monday. It was raining this morning and it's just like, I don't know, so that has something to do, like I was saying, that has something to do with my mood. I'm getting ready to put my husband, dad, father, dad, gave him some corned beef and their marinated corned beef thing. So I'm putting that in the crock pot right now, and I just realized, I was like, it's like after 1 o'clock, almost 1 o'clock, and I haven't picked up the camera. So I was like, if I don't pick up the camera now, I'm not gonna have anything to vlog. I'm not gonna have any vlog to go up today, Monday, because I only have a little bit of clip from Sunday. And let me sit down because my arm is. Put my corned beef on the fire, so I just need to season it. And then hubby right here, this Minky man here, she loves to cuddle with her father. Like earlier, I thought I was gonna go crazy because this child kept on crying and crying and crying and crying. Like, she's never that calm with me, and I don't know what it is about her daddy. And she saw him come through the door and she just immediately lit up, and then she wants for him to hold her. And look at this. You would think that this child is the first time she's seeing this man. Yeah, so we're talking about you, little girl. But she just like falls into his arms and she's just like so calm with, yeah, you know I'm talking about you. She's so calm with him and stuff like that. And it's really good that she enjoys that, because when he comes through the door, she lets up. And then my husband go take a shower because he's filthy, because he works with construction equipment and stuff, so he's like filthy dirty, and she wants him to hold her, and he go take a shower, and as soon as he comes out the shower, she's like trailing behind him, and it's just, it's funny. But she's over there acting a fool. But yeah. I went radon hunting today. Not really, because someone posted on the Maryland radon page that they left a bunch of stuff near Home Goods near me, and by the time I got over there, like literally within minutes, they were all gone. So, and then I didn't even pay attention to the person who posted, because whenever time we hunt together, she always takes everything. So I didn't even pay attention to her name, because whatever. But this is getting crazy because I was telling my husband, I was like, I don't know if I want to raid that hunt anymore because it's just getting crazy, you know. So I don't know, but I'm gonna put on my beef. I'm gonna clean up my house because Maddie is taking out everything. She's just like taking out stuff from everywhere. She makes a mess everywhere she goes. Like, she literally took out all my sanitary napkins, threw them all over the floor. The bathroom, she took the paper, the toilet paper, and ripped it apart and was chewing on it and spit it out. And she got into her hair stuff, and it was just like a hot mess. And it's just like, oh my word, like, she gets into everything. And now she's climbing, so she's at the stage where she wants to climb up on things, and I'm just like, oh. But good news is I lost 5 pounds this week. I was down to 202 pounds, and originally I started at 222 pounds, so that's a total of 20 pounds lost since I started this whole weight loss thing, not eating too much carbs and watching what I put in my mouth and trying to be careful not to trigger eating disorders or anything like that. So it's good when I can do that. Like, I can, you know, not get so obsessed and posting stuff on Instagram, or, you know, even though I have a weight loss channel on YouTube, I try not to post as frequent as I started when I first started, if that makes any sense, because I realized that I was pushing for weekly weight loss, when in all actuality, some weeks you lose, some weeks you don't, some weeks you gain. It all depends. Your body fluctuates because the scale does not predict an accurate weight. Like, it doesn't tell what's going on in your body. Like, you could have water retention, you could have muscle gain, whatever. It's not going to tell you an accurate thing, so you can't base your journey off of what the scale says. You know what I mean? It's just a guide to keep you in check. But anywho, I'm going to go put my thing in my crock pot, season, well, it's in the crock pot. I'm going to go season my beef in the crock pot, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Guys, so the kids are home from school. Let me stop fixing my hair and talking. Kids are home from school, and my mother-in-law just stopped by, and she brought some cake. I'm getting ready to take the beef out the crock pot and cook it down, and then put it with some rice, and that's dinner. The babies are home from school. Say hi. No, that's nasty. What's in your mouth? But I have to show you guys, like, it's legit. Like, Maddie is playing with her siblings, and it's like so cute. Look. So we have Jackson here, and then where is Maddie? Right there is little Maddie playing with her sister.
And I'm playing with them too.
You are? Okay.
I'm the mean kid. So, can we get some food up in here? No.
But anyways, I'm about to go put the stuff that she brought over away, and then she brought some banana pudding. It was like, it wasn't even banana pudding, it was like a banana bread, but it's sugar-free and gluten-free, and I had like 2 of those bad boys, like 2 big pieces. Probably gonna gain like 2 pounds, but it was so good that I had to eat it. I had to eat it all. So I'm probably gonna put it in the kids' lunches tomorrow to get it out of the house, because if it's here, I'm gonna eat the mess out of it, and I don't want to, you know, put on back the pounds. I want to lose the pounds, not put them on, you know what I mean? I want to see that 199 on the scale, like, get out of 200. Bye. But anyways, I'm not doing anything else. Just gonna finish dinner. The boys are doing their chores. I just got report card. He left his. I know why he left his at school, because I'm pretty sure it's not a very good report card. Why it's left at school. Jason brought home his, and I saw like 9 C's. You know what homegirl did? Well, I didn't do it, but credit goes to me. But I didn't do it. All the tablets. All the tablets. Like, even the child that brought home straight A's and B's took hers. Took everybody's tablets. It's in the room. Dad took it. And they're not getting them back. The boys are not getting theirs back. Destiny will get hers on the weekend only. But they're a team, you know what I mean? So if they're not doing well in school, she can't have her tablet, you know what I mean? So now on school days leading up, Destiny won't have her tablet. She will have it on the weekend. These two won't have it at all. No weekends, no nothing until them C's comes up next marking period.
I don't have one.
And I don't care. You're not looking at anybody's tablets. You're not. I don't even want to see you peeking at Destiny's when she have it on the weekend. So you saying you don't have one? I don't want to see you. When we go to grandparents' house, I don't want to see you on no TV, no tablets, no computer, nothing. Nothing technology-wise. You're gonna stay in them books and you're gonna bring up them C's. I haven't seen your report card, but I know it's bad. Cause for you to hide it from us, it's bad. So until you guys bring up them C's and them B's and that D that boy have over there up, no way. No, not up in this house. Nope, that's not what we do up in here. Anyway, where you going, baby? What are you eating? Thank you.
Can I get juice?
You always need something.
Yeah, because I like the juice. And Daddy says kind of down there.
Open this for me, please.
I don't like this.
What is that?
I tried it.
You've had it before?
And I didn't like it.
At Grandma's?
Yeah. What?
Why is this? I'm pretty sure more than likely it's healthy.
Can I try? Can I try it?
We're not trying anything here.
Yes, you guys.
Carbohydrate 18 grams, dietary fiber 2 grams, sugar less than 1 gram. Oh yeah, that's why you don't like it.
What is it showing?
The farmhouse cheddar thingy.
Cracker, that is gonna eat it.
Oh, my new butt.
What's wrong with your butt?
It's about to poop.
What?
Can I have this, Mommy?
Sure. Gia, what are you looking to get into?
This is how I get the juicy juice splasher open. I bite it.
Jordan, what's up?
Put a thing in.
You look miserable.
Because he didn't bring me the quick. Yeah?
What's wrong? What's the matter?
Huh?
Why are you sad?
I'm gonna get in trouble tomorrow.
You gonna get in trouble tomorrow?
Yeah, because I report card.
What about the report card?
I probably have D's and C's.
You have these?
I probably have.
Did you look at it?
No.
So how you know you have D's and C's?
I don't know.
Because you know you have D's and C's. Huh? Well, you don't have anything to worry about because you don't know what's on that report card. So until we see that report card, please fix your face.
And my test numbers. I remember one of them have 212.
Mm-hmm.
And one of them have 190.
Okay, that's not bad.
Another one has 202.
That's not bad. Okay, you're doing good in school, right?
Yeah.
You're trying your best, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's another one.
We just have to buckle down, all right?
Oh, they made a new game.
What's up with you? What do you have to say? Why your report card is so bad? Nothing? All right. You gonna work on it?
They made a new game.
What new game?
Flash map.
Mm-hmm.
It's called Prodigy. It's for first graders.
Mm-hmm.
They made a game for first grade, second grade, third grade, fifth grade. You have to pick a number saying which grade you're in fifth grade. And like, is it like?
All right, hurry up, dude. Hurry up, dude. This story is taking too long. Come on.
It's a math game.
Okay, that's all you had to say, Jason. It was a math game.
Yeah, it's kind of like you can play it.
All right.
Like I play it on the computer. Or the
Look at this messy baby. She just finished eating a cookie, and Juju is just waiting. Hey, baby. Hey, daddy girl. Juju.
Comedy Jam 25.
Why are you rocking, Maddie? Is it good?
20 people together in one room, all
Is it good?
the same thing.
Yeah?
William's gonna show up.
Gotta clean my carpet. Guys, I'm gonna go. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a section, and I will talk to you guys. I already said that. I don't know why I repeat myself. Bye.